On the road looking for the best place to sketch for today. Let's see what we can find. I'm working on some thoughts for a painting of the Monkey King. Now, these are some preliminary sketches that are going to be, maybe it's going to be in the direction or not, but I want to feel like with nature, so I'm out there trying to find a perfect place where I can sit down, have my feet in the river, and just sketch away. Can't believe I came all the way out here and forgot to hold it for the camera. Oh well, you gotta make do with what you can do. Nothing like having your feet in the water, sketchbook on your lap, and your camera in your other hand, all trying to balance it at the same time. Now if that's not being the Monkey King, I don't know what is. The Monkey King's name is Sun Wukong. He's known as the trickster god. There's quite a lot of myths and legends, and it's pretty popular today. And I can imagine myself doing a number of paintings in this direction in the future. Right now, I'm just trying to get the feel of drawing and painting a monkey. We'll see how this goes. Cool being in nature. Having biked here with the family. My wife is reading. My youngest daughter's playing in the creek, and I'm just sitting there with my feet in the water, making thoughts of the Monkey King as I sketch this one out. Imagine that I'm going to do some very large oil paintings here. A lot of color, a lot of depth. Probably going to have my son pose some different monkey kind of postures and work out some ideas. Right now I'm just kind of working on the whole facial features and stuff. Trying to figure out what he could look like, Exciting, exciting, exciting. Now I could actually imagine, the Monkey King, he's got a big staff and he's fighting, and, his hair's like all wavy and kind of, ape-like, but still kind of curly, because it's got some human tendencies going on there. I'm thinking I could actually pose his body, you know, if I do some I'm thinking I'm going to do some solid portrait kind of face close-up paintings. And then I'm going to do a couple with the body in action. I could almost think, in a way, it could almost be like, you know, Spider-Man type poses, you know, really dynamic. You know, you could do quite a lot with it. It's going to be a fun series. I'm digging this already. Yeah, for the first run through, it's not too bad. It's coming along. Yeah, feel motion. It's kind of flat right now, but it's going to get better. Had fun. Hope you guys enjoy it.